Hi, I'm Bea. It's been a while since I've been cooking with you guys here, right? Well, today I'm gonna show you my healthier twist on bang chicken recipe. It's crunchy, satisfying, and it has a fun little nod to the original Chinese bang chicken. Here I've cut the chicken into tender-sized pieces. This way they cook evenly and finish at the same time. Now I'm seasoning the chicken with salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a bit of black pepper. I just give it a quick toss to make sure each piece is well coated. This simple mix really boosts the flavor and it's so easy to do. And now some flour. It helps everything else stick properly. I'm using cornflakes for the coating because they give the chicken a light, crispy crunch without the deep frying. I'm blending them into a semi-coarse texture because it sticks better to the chicken and gives more crunch in every bite, which I totally love. And I'm using eggs to help the cornflakes stick nicely to the chicken. Here I've got my dipping stations ready, crushed cornflakes in one bowl and beaten eggs in another. First, I dip the chicken into the egg, making sure it's fully coated. Then, straight into the cornflakes. I press it down firmly to make sure it sticks and covers really well. This is what gives that amazing crunch when it cooks. My secret is I'm cooking these in the air fryer instead of deep frying. You still get that amazing crispy, crunchy texture but with way less oil. It's faster, cleaner and so much healthier. Honestly, once you try it, you won't miss the deep frying at all. Another twist, the sauce is protein packed and lighter, no heavy mayonnaise. My secret is using Greek yogurt instead. Then I add some honey, sriracha, sweet chili sauce, some lemon juice, and tahini. Deliciously creamy, spicy, and sweet. Okay, let's talk about tahini for a bit. It's optional, but it has that nutty taste that I really love. And also ties back to the original Chinese bang chicken, which is shredded chicken, believe it or not, with sesame sauce. Okay, now let's try it. This is the type of high protein meal that I like. Easy, satisfying, and full of flavor. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like high protein meals like this, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you want to see the original Chinese bang chicken recipe one day, just let me know in the comments down below. I think it's gonna be fun to make.